Did you know that the secret to unlocking hidden wealth might be as simple as practicing gratitude for just 5 minutes a day? It sounds surprising, but this small shift in your daily routine could lead to big changes in your financial life. Welcome to Mystica Finance, where we bridge the cosmos and cash flow to help you unlock your financial potential. I'm Mystica, and in today's video, we're diving into the surprising power of gratitude and how it can transform your financial situation in just a few minutes each day. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple, effective gratitude exercise that you can start using right away to attract more wealth into your life. So, if you're ready to discover how gratitude can be your secret weapon for financial success, stay tuned. And before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest wealth-building tips. The science behind gratitude and wealth. Let's explore the powerful connection between gratitude and wealth. You see, when you practice gratitude, you're not just being polite or optimistic. You're actually rewiring your brain to focus on abundance instead of lack. This shift in focus helps you attract more of what you want into your life. Scientifically, gratitude triggers the release of dopamine and serotonin, the feel-good chemicals in your brain. These chemicals not only boost your mood, but also improve your decision-making, creativity, and overall mental well-being. Critical factors in financial success. But it doesn't stop there. Gratitude also reprograms your subconscious mind, making you more aware of opportunities for wealth that you might have otherwise overlooked. This mental shift creates a positive feedback loop, where recognizing and appreciating abundance leads to even more abundance. How gratitude unlocks hidden wealth. Now, let's talk about how gratitude can actually unlock hidden wealth in your life. First, gratitude shifts your focus from what you don't have to what you do have. This simple shift in perspective creates a mindset of abundance, which is essential for attracting more wealth. When you're constantly focused on lack, you're reinforcing a scarcity mindset that blocks wealth from flowing into your life. But when you practice gratitude, you're telling the universe, I appreciate what I have, and I'm ready for more. Gratitude also heightens your awareness of opportunities that might be right in front of you. By regularly acknowledging the good things in your financial life, you train your brain to notice even more opportunities to grow your wealth, whether it's a new investment, a business idea, or a chance to learn a valuable skill. Finally, consistent gratitude practices build your financial confidence. When you start recognizing the wealth you already possess, you naturally feel more empowered to make bold financial decisions that align with your goals. This confidence is key to taking the actions necessary to create lasting wealth. The 5-minute gratitude practice. Now that you understand the power of gratitude, let's put it into action with a simple 5-minute practice that you can start today. Here's how it works. Every morning, take just 5 minutes to focus on gratitude, specifically related to your finances. Start by writing down 3 things you're grateful for in your financial life. It could be something as simple as appreciating a steady income, being able to pay your bills on time, or even the small financial wins you've had recently. Next, close your eyes and visualize the wealth you already have. Picture your bank account growing, your investments paying off, or your business thriving. As you visualize, really feel the emotions of gratitude and abundance. Let that feeling of financial security and success wash over you. Finally, take a moment to express thanks for the financial opportunities that are yet to come. By acknowledging future wealth as if it's already on its way, you're setting a powerful intention that attracts those opportunities into your life. Incorporate this simple practice into your daily routine and watch as your mindset and your financial situation begin to shift. In today's video, we explored the surprising power of gratitude and how dedicating just 5 minutes a day to this practice can unlock hidden wealth. By focusing on what you already have, visualizing your success, and feeling the emotions of gratitude deeply, you're taking an important step toward transforming your financial reality. Now it's your turn. Start incorporating this gratitude practice into your daily routine and watch as your mindset and your financial situation begin to shift. Remember, it's not just about thinking, it's about feeling and believing that wealth is already flowing into your life. We'd love to hear how this practice is working for you. So please share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest wealth building tips. Thank you for watching Mystica Finance, where we bridge the cosmos and cash flow. Until next time, keep unlocking your financial potential.